Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Gemini. The world. Ace of Swords. Two of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. The Emperor. Gemini, with these cards, things are manifesting the way you like. Some kind of new beginning is coming towards you. Maybe you want to take a job in a different place, in a different city, or you want to travel abroad. You are moving to a different country, and you are feeling that the confidence and power, the conviction to do things that you wish to do, guys, in your life. So you are feeling extremely confident and powerful today, and you are happy how things are going today. Maybe some of you all are traveling somewhere. That may also be the energy here, but something is troubling you, guys. In some phase you are in a double mind. Maybe this travel or this move to a different city is coming at a very fast pace. That may be the reason that you are in the state of confusion. You do not know which way to go, whether to do it, whether to take up that opportunity or not. You are quite emotional about it, guys. Or maybe something else. Something is definitely troubling you. Something is causing that stress and sadness in you. Maybe this move, or maybe some other or something with your relationship. There may be some troubles because of this move. Maybe you're moving away from your person. They cannot come with you, they cannot accompany you. That may also be the reason for the sadness, or something else, guys. So let us see what is coming up. The other set of cards, Gemini. Tower. Gemini, with these cards, I feel maybe certain situations or certain people may not be truthful outwardly. It may be a very attractive situation, but the truth is something is deceiving there. Something is just not right about something. So you are feeling that kind of stress. That may be the energy here. Or maybe for some of you all, you feel your position or this move to a different place is separating you from your family, friends, this person, and you're feeling that stress. Or maybe for some of you all, you have people who are there working with you, who take benefit of your work, your abilities, and they achieve what they want to achieve, and they don't give you proper credit. So that may also be the reason for the stress, guys. But something is definitely coming to an end, guys. Maybe your your current situation, the stress, these troubles are going to change, or you are going to change your city or place or your residence. That may be the change that is coming in quickly, guys. So something is changing for sure, guys. Something is going to change, or you are going to move away. That is the energy here. Maybe you are stressed because you are leaving this person and moving to a different city, or a place, a country, or a residence somewhere far away. Let us see what the fairies are guiding us today with Gemini. Sea beacon fairy, but where will it lead you? With this card, Gemini, always in life, for each and every one of us, we face so many problems, and so many solutions are there for any situation or any problem. So you need not jump at the first opportunity. You have to be aware of what you want to believe in and what you want to do. So you need not take up the first choice, whatever comes your way. You have to wait and check for your sources and your inner wisdom, what you feel about the particular choice and the path that leads to that solution. So not everything will be right for you. You have to decide what is right for you. You yourself have to know what is right for you, guys. So that is the fairies guidance today, guys. So you have to get the truth about any solution that you need for your situation today, and you need to take that step. So only you will know what is correct for you. So that is the fairies guidance for us today, Gemini. So let us see what is this person feeling about you, the message, the love message. You know me better than anyone else. So this person feels that you are a very understanding person. You know everything about them, about their secrets, about their past, whatever it is, about what they like, what they do not. So you have this very good understanding and compatibility. So that is the way they feel about you, or that is the way you feel about this person, guys. So that is the reading, Gemini. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.